How do you do? It's Lukey Poo at Kuhn Truck and RV, your favorite little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo, but you can call me anytime at 440 Ohio RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering a warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440 Ohio RVs. Again, that's 440 OHIO RVS. For sale today, we have a 2012 Pleasureway Excel TS with 77,164 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2012 Pleasureway Excel TS. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan as well as the overall condition of this unit. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. All of these RVs go through the same inspection process before they hit the web. We're going to go through a full demo with you at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have, and make sure you're fully comfortable with your new motorhome. You can stay with us at Crystal Fountain Park here in small-town Sherwood, Ohio. Camp with us for a night or two. Make sure you're fully comfortable with your new RV before you head off for parts unknown. Fantastic fan here in the center, runs on the coach battery system. Will act like an attic fan at night, bring the cool outside air in. Will also exhaust damp air from your restroom area or if you're cooking. Got about 73.5 inches of headroom here in the main part of the coach. Hard surface flooring. This rug you can pull up here in the back if you don't like that. Hard surface flooring makes it easier to keep clean. Easy to get up and into this coach with this handle here. Fire extinguisher. Stash spot here in the door. Got some light switches as you come up and in. This window opens but does not have a screen. We have this curtain you can pull all the way around the front while you're parked for privacy. Got some storage up here, good for sunscreen, things like that, like your sunglasses when you go in and out of the RV. This will inflate, deflate the rear airbag suspension. Water heater on off, this ignites itself, runs on propane. Levels test for your gray, black, fresh, and battery. These are notoriously finicky on your water side especially, so don't always trust these. Water pump on off, that will pump the water out of the onboard fresh water tank that runs on the coach battery system. Generator start stop, this is an Onan 2800, has 104 hours. Runs on the gas tank. Has a fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan technicians. We have a microwave convection oven here. This will work on the shore power plug-in or the generator only. Wardrobe here. Have our manuals, table leg that you can use here in the front or in the back. This board here will make up the big bed. I'll show you that here in a little while. Some storage up above the microwave. Got two nice mirrors here as we head into the bathroom. Makes it more convenient for two people getting ready in here, where one can be inside of the bathroom, one can be outside. Nice, easily accessible bathroom area. Got a curtain you can pull around you to help contain water. A window with a screen. Help get some airflow in here, not much of a step up and in. This is a wet bath, so everything's going to drain right here into the floor. A little storage rail here for your soaps. 3 drawers. AC power there on the front of this cabinet. Good for your curling iron, things like that. Nice solid surface countertops in here. Medicine cabinet with a mirror and storage. Flipping around now to the kitchen area. Stainless backsplash. Got a spice rack. Paper towel holder there. 2-burner propane cooktop. We have Corian counters. It's the water pump down there. AC power here on the front of the kitchenette area. Makes that convenient for your air fryer, your coffee pot. Freezer up top. This is a 3-way, meaning it runs on AC power. So the shore power plug-in or the generator. DC power, meaning the coach battery system or propane gas. We have a propane furnace there. Down here we have some fuses or breakers, and we also have our coach battery disconnect here on this red key. If you can pull that out, it means it's off. That will disconnect the coach battery system to prevent parasitic draw. We'll also disconnect the charging systems to the coach battery system, which are the shore power plug-in, the generator, or the alternator while you drive. Cool Cat AC and heat pump here in the rear. Inverter here. Be able to invert the coach battery DC power to AC power, so you can plug some things in. Direct DC power here to the coach battery system. Got some plugs here for your DVD player and your TV. The TV's on a swivel mount. This can swivel out to face the front. Both of these seats swivel. However, the passenger seat will get a much better position due to the steering wheel So you can watch stuff from the front, kind of create two zones here in this camper van. A little bit of marks there from people opening that door, catching on this door here, the one on that side. The Kuhn AC heat pump and propane furnace are operated through the thermostat here. It'll work much like your house. Power sofa control here. So what makes this a TS over a TD? So we have this power sofa that you can run down here to make two twin beds. The TD would have two permanent twin sleepers here. A lot of people like this for these two seat belts here. There's two on this couch and two up front, so a total of 4 belts. This Lagoon table here has been added. We can remove this. These back cushions are removable as well. So we'll have an option for a twin here, or use that bed that's up in the front, or excuse me, the board that's in the front wardrobe. Use these cushions to make up the big bed. Gonna go and drop some pictures now so you can see what that looks like made up and get some measurements. The Lagoon table makes a convenient dining area or workstation that can easily be removed. The power sofa easily goes down into twin beds that measure approximately 72 inches north, south, or front to back, and 26.5 inches east, west, or side to side, and just a little shorter at 70 inches north, south on the passenger side. Use the support board and backrest cushions to make up the big bed that measures approximately 68 to 72 inches north, south, or front to back, and 80 inches east, west from wall to wall. The front seats swivel to face the rear of the coach, with the passenger seat having better positioning. There's a counter flip out that provides additional food prep space. Here by the floor, we have some storage. Storage beneath the sofa in the back is also accessible through the rear entry doors. Noxious gas detector and our fuse panel. This has a good representation of your AC power system and your DC power system here in this coach. So the AC power, which is the shore power plug-in or the generator, has breakers like your house that are labeled, and the DC power or the coach battery system has fuses that are labeled just like your car. What do you call a loaf of sourdough at the zoo? Bred in captivity. Got AC power back here. Makes it convenient to plug things in while you're sitting back here in the rear sofa. Screen window on the lower portion with curtains for privacy. The rear windows do not open, but you can drop those curtains down so people can't see in here. Got a screen here on the lower portion on the driver's side. Got another nice window there on the back. Does not open. Different lights here in the back. You can turn these ones on and off while you're laying down here in the back for reading lights. Another light switch here. Nice condition here. Not a lot of blemishes on the inside or outside of this particular specimen. Got nice storage up overhead. Another little storage rail over there. We can tuck some things, seeing as storage space is always at a premium here in these Class B camper vans. Really nice unit here. Really popular floor plan at Kuhn Truck and RV. People really love this Excel series for this bathroom, nice sleeping area, all the great things that this floor plan offers. I'm going to call this a 9 out of 10. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Here in the cabin area, we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise, and CD. Nice clean upholstery up front. Not seeing any signs of smoking in the form of burns, stains, tears, no funny smells. Cigarette lighter's unused, so while it's tough to say for certain, I'm going to call this a non-smoker. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2012 Pleasureway Excel TS. This camper van measures 20.5 feet bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. This Pleasureway is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 5.4-liter V8 engine with 77,164 miles. Got a nice looking exterior on this one, lots of shine left. Stripes are in good condition. Got our furnace exhaust here, back of our refrigerator, coach battery. Have actual alloy rims on this one with new tires. Easy to get up and into this camper van here. Got a handle for you. A little bit of paint loss here. 2 AC plug-ins so you can plug things in beneath the awning. Storage spot down here. A couple little tiny rock chips. A couple screws there in the exterior. Here we have the Modbug 4BOT or 4BOT trailer here. This works well as a mobile storage unit for you to tag along behind your camper van. It's easy to hook up, very lightweight, so you can move that around by hand. Very easy to store. You can put it in your garage. Got a pass through here. Works great for fishing poles or long storage. Got a rack up top. You can put your kayaks or your bikes. Got this large door here on the rear with these 2 drawers that slide out. These work great for storage for all your bags and different things you take along with you on your camper van journey. Also works well for a 12-volt cooler or a Blackstone griddle. So a little bit of a solution here to one of the common complaints about a camper van here. It gets you a lot more storage in a compact, easy to store package, easy to tow. Something you can drop at your campsite, kind of makes a marker that this campsite is taken while you head off with your camper van to a trailhead or to do other things on your camper van adventure. Got our air conditioner that comes out the back there in the top. Storage beneath the rear sofa. We have our awning crank and center rafter there. Coming around now to the driver's side. Fill for the onboard fresh water tank. It'll travel wherever the RV goes. You'll use the water pump to get the water out of the onboard fresh water tank. Back of our water heater. Sewer hose storage. Get a closer look at our decals. Nice looking striping on this one. Good shiny exterior. Outside showers, nice for kids, pets, going to the beach. Wash the sand off your shoes or mud from your dogs. Sewer drain here. Everything's gonna come out of this same hole. Gonna pull the black first and then the gray. Everything's gonna come out of here. The black is your toilet. The gray is your sink and shower. Cable TV in if you're staying somewhere that has that. City water, so you'll run your garden hose in here. That's gonna provide water to the camper van. Propane tank here is mounted to the unit itself. We have a gauge to tell how much is in that. Connection for our 30 amp shore power plug-in. Generator, this is in Cummins Onan 2800. Fill for the fuel tank and the generator. Generator will stop running around a quarter tank, so you cannot strand yourself. Generator exhaust here. Nice looking unit. Popular floor plan. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. We recently helped host and coordinate the 2nd annual Sure Wing Thing in our small town of Sherwood, Ohio, where locals come in flocks to release their inner wing thing. We helped start this new annual event that features a chicken wing cook-off competition, live music, beer, bourbon, and wine, a kids zone, and a cruise-in car show. We had several thousand in attendance throughout the day and have been overwhelmed by the love and support from our local community. Congrats to our Bok-to-Bok Cockadoodle Crown winner Jacob's Meats, Little Chicken Crown winner Iron Horse, and a special shout out to Fat Pig Smokehouse, who took home the Keith Grimm People's Choice Golden Cleaver, named for Sherwood's longtime butcher and local icon Keith Grimm. Keith and his daughter Diane are local historians and have been instrumental in uncovering the story of our newly reimagined Crystal Fountain Park and East Vine venues, and are huge proponents in our small town's revival. Thanks to our mom, shown here with my brother Levi and I, and our dad, who was one of the 3 wing things in the first photo, for teaching us from a young age to get involved in and to have a love for our small town of Sherwood, Ohio, here in our little piece of America.